Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to confirm capability first. Check your phone's Wi-Fi spec for 5 GHz or 802. 11 AC/AX support and update the OS now. Once done, update your router firmware and reboot both devices. Make sure Wi-Fi scanning and location are enabled so the phone can detect 5 GHz SSIDs. Then open Wi-Fi settings and scan. If you don't see a 5 GHz SSID, switch the router briefly to broadcast a 5 GHz only network so you can attempt the connection immediately. Next, configure the router so the 5 GHz network is discoverable and optimized. Give the 5 GHz band its own SSID so you can pick it on the phone, then pick a clear channel range like 3648 or 149-161. And use 40 or 80 MHz width for better throughput. Also enable WPA2 or WPA3 security and disable legacy B/G modes that cause compatibility issues. Save settings and reboot the router. Finally, connect to the 5 GHz SSID and run a quick speed test to confirm higher bandwidth. If DHCP assignment fails, try a manual static IP in the router's subnet. Remember that 5 GHz has shorter range, so move nearer to the router while testing. If the phone still won't stay connected, forget the network on the phone and reconnect, then change the router channel or reduce channel width to 20/40 MHz. That single troubleshooting step often resolves compatibility and stability problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.